Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notifications. You can get notified every time I upload a video. I upload videos weekly. I upload a lot of hair videos, testing out hair tools, testing out curly hair products, and all that good stuff. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and check out my Instagram. And this is my Instagram right here. I post a lot of stuff on there that I do not post on here on YouTube, so go ahead and check out my Instagram and show some love. Anyways, let's get right into the video. So I uploaded a video not too long ago testing out the brand new Dyson Corrale. So this is their cordless straightener, and you guys really wanted me to compare this to the GHD Platinum Plus, which is also pretty expensive. This retails for $250. This retails for $500. I'm gonna do this side with the GHD Platinum Plus, and then I'm gonna do this side with the Dyson Corrale. I know you guys were telling me in my last video that I really had to let this fully charge, so today it is fully charged and I charged it overnight. So let's see how this compares to this one. The GHD Platinum Plus has a very long cord, so I actually like that a lot. So the GHD Platinum Plus only has one heat setting. As you can see, it only has the on button, so I'm actually going to press it right now. There you go. So I turned it on, and now we just gotta wait for it to warm up. It warms up so quickly that you're gonna hear another sound, and this sound means that it warms up. So in any second, you're gonna hear it. There you go. So that was like less than 10 seconds, which is crazy. So the heat setting on this is 365, and that is the only heat setting that you can use. If you like using a lower heat setting, then maybe you won't like that. If you like using a higher heat setting, maybe you won't like that because you can only do one heat setting on this tool. I like that it only has one heat setting because that way I can it kind of stops me from going to a higher heat setting and putting more heat on my hair. And also 365 is the heat setting that GHD recommends, or the heat setting that they think is the best for your hair, and that's maybe the only thing that you really need. Some people really like to go all the way up to 450 like me, but sometimes I just gotta control myself because that's not good for my hair. By the way, this video is not sponsored. It's not sponsored at all. Like, it's not sponsored by GHD. It is not sponsored by Dyson. So yeah, just wanted to clarify that. These are my natural curls. I have no product on my hair. I just washed it and let it air dry. So I'm going to do this section of hair first. I'm gonna detangle my hair. So I'm gonna do this section of hair. I'm just slowly gliding it through my hair. As you can see, I still need to do another pass because it's not like completely straight. So this is what my hair looks like after 2 passes. So I'm just gonna do all my hair, and then I'll be right back with the final look on the GHD side. But I'm actually gonna start timing it because we need to see how long it's gonna take me to do all my hair. Alright guys, I am back, and I actually just finished this side. This is what my hair looks like with the GHD Platinum Plus. As you can see, it's like super sleek, very soft. I wish you guys could feel it right now. It feels super soft and it looks pretty shiny. I don't feel like this pulls my hair at all, and I really like that about this straightener. It took me about 22 minutes to do this side of my hair, so yeah, it usually takes me about 40 minutes to do all my hair, maybe 45. Okay guys, so now let's move on to the Dyson side. So I'm actually going to turn it on, and as you can see, fully charged. Can you see that? It's fully charged. Okay, so I am going to put it on 365 because since the GHD Platinum Plus is on 365, we're going to do 365 degrees Fahrenheit on the Dyson side as well. So I'm going to detangle my hair. Okay, so I am not even joking, guys. I just turned it on. I charged it overnight, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but the battery level is already going down. It's not all the way up, and I haven't even started doing my hair, which is kind of unfortunate because this is $500. You know, this is expensive. But anyways, I'm going to do this section of hair. The cool thing about this hair tool is that it has 3 different heat settings. So it has 330, 365, and 410 degrees Fahrenheit. So you can kind of play around with it. So I'm going to just slowly glide this through my hair. But yeah, this is what my hair looks like after about 2 or 3 passes. So as you can see, it's pretty straight. I didn't feel like it pulled my hair at all. It is 4:30 p.m. and I'm going to show you guys right now. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's 4:30. It's 4:30 p.m. I'm going to start the timer right now, and I'm going to let you guys know how long it took me to do all my hair and if the battery was able to last a while. So let's do this. Oh no. Did it die already? It died. It died already. 20 minutes passed. And let me just stop the timer because there's no point. I couldn't even finish straightening this side of my hair. So that is very unfortunate because this is $500 and I can't even straighten one side of my hair because this doesn't even last over 20 minutes. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a little bit, hopefully with this charged again. Alright, so it's 5:16 right now, and it's been charging for about 15, almost 20 minutes. So I am actually gonna just turn it on and try to finish my hair the quickest possible. I just wanted to charge it for a little bit to see if I can finish this side of my hair so I can continue with the video, and then I'm going to fully charge it again for 70 minutes and test it with the cord to see how long it takes for it to dye. So I'm just straightening my hair. Oh, there you go. It dyed. So at least I was able to finish this side. In total, it took me about 27 minutes to do this side of my hair. So it is 5:30, as you guys can see, 5:30. I'm going to fully charge this. I'm going to start the timer right now, and I'm going to charge it for 70 minutes. So I'm going to charge it for 70 minutes, and I'm going to come back, but I'm going to use the cord the whole time, and we're going to see how long it takes for this to dye with the cord attached to it. So let's do that. I'll be right back in 70 minutes, so about 6:40 and we'll continue with this video. Okay guys, I am back 70 minutes past, and I feel like this side is very frizzy. Like, it got frizzier. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm actually going to just keep straightening this side of my hair with the Dyson, and we're just gonna test it and see how long the battery is going to last with the cord like plugged in and connected to the hair tool. So here I have it. It's plugged in. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to turn it on. As you can see, it is fully charged. I let it charge for about 70 minutes. So as you can see, 6:41, an hour and 10 minutes, which is 70 minutes. So yeah, let's do this. I just started the timer again, and we're going to see. Oh, it's ready to go. So I just started the timer, and we're gonna see how long it takes for this to dye. Okay guys, so I am done with the Dyson side. So this is the Dyson side, and this is the GHD side. So I have some updates, some good news, because I have been using the straightener for almost an hour now, and I still have like half the battery to go. So when it is plugged in, it's like a different story, but you do have to fully charge it to be able to use it for that long. Now let's talk about how each side looks. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I feel like this side, the Dyson side, looks more staticky. Do you guys see that? Like, all the little baby hairs are just kind of like all over the place. But this side looks a lot more smooth, and I actually did this side about more than an hour ago, and it's still pretty straight. I didn't even touch up with my hair tool, and it's still looking pretty smooth. I actually straightened my hair for a lot longer on this side than this side. Like, I'm talking about at least 40 minutes on this side and about 22 minutes on this side. So that's a big difference in time, and I like how this side looks a little bit better. I just feel like if this is gonna cost $500, you should be able to use it with the cord when it is about to die. Like, for example, your phone, when it's 1% and you want to charge it and continue to use it, you can do that with your phone. With this, you can't. Like, if it's dying and you plug it in, you try to use it with the cord, you can't. It's gonna die on you. You're not gonna be able to finish your hair. So that's something that I don't love about this tool. The battery, just like, I really don't like that. I mean, if this was a corded hair tool, then maybe I would like it a little bit better. But even just looking at the final result, after I straighten this side a lot more than this side actually, I still feel like it doesn't look as smooth. But yeah, that is it for today's video. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Love you guys so much.